Day one of the official conference. Really great keynote speakers. This morning, all the new features were presented really, really well. The sessions are absolutely stellar. I got to sit with actually two of the speakers from this morning were at my table during the leadership day. And then one of the speakers for one of the seminars that I went to was at my table as well. And that was really lucky too because he's another food co-manufacturer. Pensive excitement. What I see a lot from the people there is what I feel too, which is there's a lot of amazing things that are coming. There's a lot of amazing things that they already have access to that they haven't implemented. They're starting to understand the work that goes into the next step. Like we know what's coming, and there's a lot of work that has led up to our migration. So pensive excitement, I think, is a really good one because we're all down for it, I think. That's why we're here. Oh, I'm excited for Xcelerate 2027. Heck yeah.